What does LDN mean to you?
Well, it means everything to me. Personally, I have Hashimoto's, which is an autoimmune condition that affects every cell of the body, but really affects the thyroid, and the thyroid is an innocent bystander. And so I have not had my own thyroid function since I was a teenager. And so I've been on thyroid medicine more than half my life, and it's had many, many, many different ramifications, but namely that I had a serious flare of my autoimmune condition after my daughter was born, and it really threatened my life and threatened my ability to continue my training. And I had had many flares, but not knowing that that's what it was. My doctor put me on low dose naltrexone in 2014. And it really changed my life. And that was after I had already battled and been put on finally the right thyroid medicine and done everything else. I think, Linda, you and I have very similar stories in that it really enhanced our health and gave us things back in a way that none of the other treatments that we had been exposed to or dietary changes or anything else that we had done in our lives had. And it was just such a surprise. And so then I started my own practice in 2015 when I got out, and I had been prescribing it. And so what's so funny, in 2017, I had been doing so well that I had gone off the medicine. I had gone off LDN. And I will talk about this with patients who were like, I'm not sure that LDN is doing anything for me. And I'll say, okay, do you want to take a holiday? And I didn't realize it. I had been off for way too long. And I said, why am I feeling so badly? Why am I doing so badly? And I said, oh man, you idiot, you've been off the LDN. So I haven't looked back since then. And it is really a crucial part of my care. I really can tell if I have not been taking my LDN or, something happens. It really is an important part of my own personal journey, as it's an anti-inflammatory agent and it really enhances mental health. And it is important for reduction of both progression of autoimmune disease and developing new autoimmune diseases. So I always tell my patients, or when I speak, I say, I'm not only the hair club president, I'm also a member. So I think most of us that talk and love LDN so much have either a patient or a personal connection. We have to have a personal connection, or it's in our own lives to want to discuss it.
And Sam, what does LDN mean to you and Belmar Pharmacy?
Well, LDN, I started working as a compounding pharmacist in 2014. Came to just start to learn about LDN, and that's when I attended my very first LDN conference, which changed the game. And with Belmar, I have now been doing this for 10 years and seen thousands and thousands of patients who have called and had miraculous changes in their lives. So that's what's really touched home, is that all of these changes for all different types of disease states, right? Not just autoimmune, pain, psychiatric, so many things. And now even COVID coming on board. It's amazing to see all these changes in people's lives. And once you get a little taste of changing somebody's lives and having it affect you, then you just like keep wanting to go out there and spread the word to the whole world, basically. So we really love LDN, and we really love pushing it and educating people about all its benefits.